You're standing at the edge of a perfect setup. Your strategy confirms it, but your finger freezes over the mouse. You are paralyzed, not by the market, but by the terrifying weight of your own hesitation. Today, that paralysis ends. Stay with me until the very end of this video, and I will give you the precise mental framework to erase hesitation forever and execute your trading plan with the cold, unshakable confidence of a machine. First, we have to admit the truth. Fear is not a weakness. It is your primitive brain trying to protect you. It sees the fluctuating red and green candles as a predator trying to eat your financial survival. It triggers a fight or flight response. Hesitation happens when you have not fully accepted the risk before clicking the mouse. Deep down, you are still hoping the trade will win, rather than accepting that it has a predefined probability of losing. Confidence in trading does not mean you expect to win every single trade. True confidence means you trust your process and your edge so deeply that the outcome of any single trade is completely irrelevant to your long-term success. The absolute easiest way to instantly delete fear is to slash your position size in half. Fear is directly proportional to how much money you are risking. If the dollar amount on the screen makes your stomach turn, you are trading too big. You must transition from being an emotional outcome-oriented gambler to a process-oriented risk manager. Your only job is to execute the trade perfectly according to your rules. To trade without hesitation, your rules must be binary. They must be black and white. If condition A and condition B align, you execute. If they do not align, you sit on your hands. There is zero room for interpretation or gut feelings. Stop treating trading as an action movie. Profitable trading is boring. It is methodical. It is a highly repetitive factory job of waiting for your exact edge to appear, and then repeating the same mechanical response without any thought. The perfect setup is not a promise of profit. It is merely an invitation to participate in a high-probability moment. You are not a prophet. You are just a statistician who found a repeating pattern. Every loss is just a cost of doing business. It is the tuition you pay to stay in the game. It is raw, unfiltered data, showing you exactly where your system or your mindset needs adjustment. Treat it with respect, not fear. When you execute a trade without fear, you reclaim your mental capital. Instead of agonizing over a flickering screen, you can use that energy to focus on optimizing your strategy or just enjoying your actual life. The definition of confidence in trading is the unshakable trust in your long-term probability. You know that over 100 trades, your edge will inevitably make you profitable, regardless of how many individual losses you take along the way. Tomorrow, your primitive brain will scream at you to hesitate. It will beg you to reconsider. I want you to feel that hesitation. I want you to acknowledge it. And then I want you to mechanically click the mouse anyway. Zero fear does not mean zero emotion. It means zero emotional response influencing your execution. You must reach a state where clicking buy or sell, according to your rules, feels as significant as tying your shoes. By removing fear, you remove hesitation. By removing hesitation, you become the robotic executor of your predefined strategy. This is the only path to becoming a consistently profitable, disciplined, elite trader. Master the incredible art of clicking without thinking, and you master the market. Burn your ego to the ground, forgive yourself for past emotional mistakes, and commit to being the disciplined trader you are meant to be. Stop trying to beat the algorithm. You cannot. You can only learn to operate within its volatility without destroying yourself. Protect your chips, wait for the setup, and survive the drawdowns. Tomorrow is a new session, a fresh start, new liquidity. If you master your mind today, the payouts will inevitably follow. Accept the boredom, accept the risk, embrace the professional grind. Become the trader you were always meant to be. Kill the fear, execute the plan, and dominate your psychology. That is the only way to join the consistently profitable top 1%.